Would you like to grow your team while you're sleeping? I'm actually going to teach you in this video how to use attraction marketing for network marketing so you can do that, so you can automate your business and have customers flooding your inbox in the morning when you wake up. Also in this video, I'm going to share with you my new recruiting bootcamp, the digital bootcamp that teaches you everything you need to know about attraction marketing so you can get started with that straight away, and that is in the description of this video. Hi, my name is Anna Stropnik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they can grow their business successfully, create customers and leads coming to them so they don't have to prospect a single soul, and they can create a lifestyle that they love. Also consider subscribing to this channel because here I share every single week, I share a new episode helping you with your business. Here's where it all starts. You gotta have an enrollment system for your team. Now, that enrollment system is not teaching your team to create a list of 100, for you to do three-way phone calls or Zoom calls, be it doing presentations, God forbid, even like home presentations, all of those things that are so outdated. It's actually showing like the newest person, if they get a team member, they just follow a checklist and go step by step by step, then anyone can enroll their new member and anyone can show their new member how to be successful, how to create a customer base. That's what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. So stay tuned until the end. I'm going to share with you some powerful strategy on how you can accomplish this for your team so your team grows really fast without you spending tons of time, and it's all automated so it happens while you're sleeping or binging Netflix. So for example, my enrollment system, it finds, attracts and books only qualified people on my calendar, so I don't have to go out and prospect, and I don't have to be like talking to thousands of people finding out who might be interested. They're all filtered through my funnel, so I only talk to the most qualified people. One thing, it has to be simple and it's something that everyone can do. So how does it work? It actually takes people step by step. So first they actually see a post, and if they're curious, if they want to know more information, it takes them to where they watch a video. And then from that video, if that's something that they're interested in finding out more, to actually have a conversation with you, they will be able to book a call. Now, during that whole process, it's going to be rejecting people who are not qualified, who are not the right fit, who you don't want to be working with, because you don't have to be talking with everyone. When you end up having people on your schedule, they're going to be like already pretty much ready to join. This is how this enrollment process may look like. You get on a call with your highly qualified prospect. They may have a question or two. Usually they're going to be asking you, okay, so how do I join? How do I join you? What do I need to do? And it doesn't require you handling any objections, because remember, they're the ones that are raising their hand. They are wanting to work with you. It doesn't have to have any of those really hard closes that we are all like being told in network marketing. We don't have to sell, but all we are doing is sales, because when you're prospecting, you're really selling, you're going through the sales process. But in this enrollment funnel, you're marketing and you're really getting people to come to you. So this enrollment process goes so smoothly. So what happens after the enrollment process? You gotta have an onboarding system for your newest team member, and everyone on your team needs to know how to use it. Everybody knows it. It's very simple, and it gives them bite-sized things step by step on what to do each day. I have my onboarding system, which is a 30-day onboarding system, and following my onboarding system, I start teaching advanced attraction marketing. So I teach them how to set up their profiles right, how to create a target audience of people that are going to be related to what they're like and also related to the products that we sell. That way, when they make a post, when they do video, they will have people raising hands. We're going to help them create and expand their own network really, really fast with that. So if your system doesn't provide that, and quite frankly, you've been doing the same thing over and over again, and it hasn't been creating your results, you're just restricted where you're at, and you're open to looking at new opportunities, this is a good time to have a conversation, because right now I'm actually looking for 10 new team members to join my team that I'm going to be directly working with over the next 90 days, because we have some big things happening. We had the biggest launch in the history of the company, and it's something that I'm really, really excited about. But I want to be working only with 10 people because I can only work with so many people personally, and I want to pick and choose who I'm going to be working with, because you're going to be on a path. If you're wanting to create, if your goal is to get to 6 figures, you are my people. So if you are unhappy where you're at, or you don't have a home right now, let's have a talk. There's going to be a link below this video where you can schedule an appointment to be on my calendar. And if you're happy where you're at, that's awesome. I really encourage you, if you haven't been through my free attraction marketing recruiting bootcamp, then definitely go through it. It's brand new. We just rebranded it like a week ago. So it's really, really awesome. And if you are looking to create more leverage, have more automation, have team members joining you while you're sleeping, that's definitely the way to go. So then go ahead. There's going to be a link around this video where you can click and join the free bootcamp. It will come in your emails every single day, so I can be in touch with you in that way and help you in any way I can with your existing business. Thank you so much for watching. My question for you is, do you have automated system in place for your team in your current opportunity? Let me know. I'm curious to know who does and who doesn't, and I will see you on the next video. If you found value in this one, give me a thumbs up, and also so you don't miss any new trainings that come on this channel. See you next time.